Welcome, community. We are going to do your weekly root chakra reading. This is just a 2-card spread here. The first card that came out is non-attachment, and it's supporting card from the chakra from the earth heart chakra is from the Mother Mary Oracle, and it is Our Lady of Divine Presence. So I'm just going to look here intuitively at what we have. And I'm seeing this energy that really fits. So you could be feeling a lot of harmony because these two cards are very complementary with one another. You could be feeling very free from something that is important to you around your root chakra. So it could be your actual dwelling place. Maybe you're moving. It could be a career or a job. Maybe you're changing this, or the position could be transforming. But whatever is going on, it has not only you physically feeling free, but on a soul level, you're feeling free. Probably after a transformation has just happened for you. And it's stunning, it's beautiful. It's like your whole reality is flourishing and you see nothing but opportunity and beauty and growth in your periphery. And as the supporting energy, it feels like something has been watching over you, and in a gentle way just wants to let you know that it's okay to allow and accept sometimes, to have good times, to feel like you can have a new start maybe, and that, you know, it's not that you're entitled to it, yet if it's meant for you in this moment, then so be it, enjoy it. So you're just feeling very blessed and comforted and supported in your ability to not be living in anxiety in this area. So because this is so good, I hope that whoever is listening to this will be experiencing or is presently experiencing this energy, because it's outstanding, especially connected to this chakra. So thanks, you guys. Tomorrow we will proceed with the sacral chakra, so please join for that if you can.